Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter, a channel for anyone interested in finding bargains for as little as $1 and flipping them for a profit. Today I'm in Woodside, Queens, about to go into the Salvation Army family store. So let's go thrifting. Queens and Brooklyn are technically part of Long Island, but they don't like to admit it. The front of the store is mostly books and some expensive items, and these mannequin heads looking down on all of it. This woman waiting online found these fabulous smiley face jeans. I would have loved to have found those. Hey, while you're here, could you tap the like button and hit subscribe? It helps me in the channel. Thanks so much. This store is a bit on the verge of being a junk shop. They have some order in the clothing area, but the rest of the stuff is kind of just thrown around. I absolutely love this ceramic pitcher. If anyone recognizes the mark on the bottom, please leave a comment below. So I picked up that little milk pitcher for $5. There's some things in there a little expensive, but nothing that I found that was really hit me that I really needed to buy. Hey everyone, today is day 2 of thrifting in Woodside, Queens. I'm actually going to take a walk over to Sunnyside to the Sunnyside Thrift Store. Let's go thrifting. This shop was definitely much more organized and less cluttered than the Salvation Army. It was definitely super cute, although by the end of the day I was just fried and I didn't pick anything up here. But I would definitely go back. Thanks for watching Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this episode, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.